This is a project explanation of emergency vehicle smart system. Basically, emergency vehicle is nothing but an ambulance, and we are trying to give out a solution to make sure that ambulance reaches the hospital within a stipulated time. तो इसमें क्या होता है, बहुत बार आपने देखा होगा कि जब ट्रैफिक लगती है तो सारे लेन फुल हो जाते हैं और लास्ट लेन तक यहाँ से बाइक वगैरह जा रहे होते हैं और आपकी एम्बुलेंस कई बार यहाँ अटकी पड़ी रहती है और सायरन बजाती रहती है। पर मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम्स ये व्हीकल्स चाहते हुए भी बिकॉज ऑफ सच अ ह्यूज ट्रैफिक दे कैन नॉट मूव। So they try to move, but effectively the speed goes down from, let's say, 60 to something about 10 kilometers per hour, and which is not acceptable. So in many of the countries like US, they have this specific lane called emergency lane. So they have extra lane created for ambulances and carpool lane, what they call. So where only vehicles with almost two plus people can travel. So basically, this lane is a concept of emergency lane. So if you want to create an emergency lane inside India, it will be a west of one full lane where it can have a traffic when there is no ambulance. So why not create this emergency lane on and when required? So that is the whole idea of the project. The project involves something called as sound processing. Now I will get into the detail what is sound processing and why it is needed in this project. Then next part is something called as IoT, and the third part is creation of the emergency carpool lane. So that requires some LEDs and siren buzzers, etc. So it's a combination of what you can say embedded system plus wireless communication project plus signal processing system. So three domains overlap and they all are working for biomedical application. So you can say it's a biomedical project also. Now let me go in detail. So whenever ambulance is moving, it will track down its GPS coordinate, and this siren sound is being recorded using a two microphone arrangement on a Raspberry Pi. Now this two microphone arrangement, or basically this is a concept of human ear. Now human like ear to a robot. So it is also called as a robotic human ear. This is the first phase of the project where like human determines which direction the sound is coming from with the help of a servo motor. This system also determines which direction the ambulance sound is coming and at what speed it is coming. So this will analyze two things. One is it will filter out the siren frequency. Second, it will determine the type of the emergency vehicle depending upon the siren frequency, and it will decode type of emergency. And the third thing is it will determine the speed at which the vehicle is coming. So these are the three things we need to extract from a sound signal, and everything needs to go into this embedded system which is placed along a road, and this GPS and entire ambulance is on the road. So this is a side lane of the road, or it could be a divider on which we place this system. Now so whenever ambulance is coming, there will be a wireless IoT connection, something called a node MCU or its subderivatives, to communicate from this Raspberry Pi to the next. And then there will be an emergency lane where the lightings are there. These lightings will typically remain off, uh, but whenever the siren signal is decoded and it knows that the signal is gonna ambulance is gonna come, it will alert all the vehicles beforehand, and it will also implement a heavy fine for the vehicles which are in the alert lane when the ambulance is coming, so that ambulance just travels to this point, and once it reaches this point, it can just take a best route. The second part why we took a GPS signal is to have an app. So there is a hospital nearby. Now I know this is a cardiac emergency and this is a cardiac hospital and this is the fastest route. So this IoT will enable to clear all this route and make sure that ambulance reaches to the hospital in an golden hour. So what is an golden hour? It is the first hour, maybe after a heart attack, where patient can be retrieved. If you don't make it in within an hour, your patient is gone. So this golden hour period varies, though it called hour, but it could be just 15 minutes, and delay of 5 minutes can cause a death. So this is where currently we have Google Maps, everything which shows us traffic, which can compute the fastest route to the hospitals. But this emergency lane creation on that fastest route will be a very useful application, and this will ensure that ambulance reaches the destination within a fastest possible time. So I guess I could able to explain you how the sound processing or robotic ear is implementing. Then what are the different aspects from sound we need to extract. Then what is the wireless communication part of it. Then this LED blinking and embedded system part of it. And finally Google App Play development of it. This is the entire explanation of the project. I will stop now, and we'll continue in the next project explanation.